Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing this very spooky but very glam makeup look. So if you want to see that, keep on watching. This is my first Halloween look for my YouTube channel and I'm so excited. I am gonna start off with my brows and I'm using my soap brows. I just spritz a little water in it and get a spoolie to get a little bit of the soap in my spoolie, and I start to brush my brows up until they are really big and fluffy. And I like to take the brush and press them on my skin so they stay there for the rest of the day and don't move. With my Anastasia brow powder, I am gonna start painting on little brow hair strokes, if you will, to create like a really fluffy and big brow. And this look is gonna be for Halloween, but it's also gonna be very glam, so I am focusing on the skin as well. I'm using this Kiko corrector around my eyes to conceal and correct any darkness that I might have around the contour of my eye with a big fluffy concealer brush. So really in the inner corners of my eye, and then a little bit on my under eye and the outer corner as well. After that, I'm ready to move on to my eyes, and I'm taking this ABH, it's a gel liner and it's black, I think it's called Jet, and I am gonna start applying this on my lower lash line, and also I am gonna bring that all over my eyelid. And I'm starting really small, being really careful when applying this, and I'm bringing that all the way up to my crease, but not higher than my crease, because I want to blend this gel liner a little bit and I want to have room to be able to do that. So I'm stopping around my crease, and then I'm taking a smaller brush to really blend out the edges of the gel liner. I am dipping into my ABH Norvina Volume 1 palette, and I am taking the black shade in the palette to start setting that gel liner that I just applied with a flat brush. Once I am done setting that black shadow, I am taking a smaller brush, a fluffy one, and I am gonna start blending out the edges even more, but this time with the shadow. And then I added a kind of burnt red-orange shade in the crease above the black shadow, and I'm gonna do this all over the crease and the outer corner to make it really intense and grungy and give it that kind of Halloween look. And doing the same on the lower lash line and actually going really low so it looks like it's really deep and kind of bruised. And once I am happy with the color, I go back into the black shadow and re-intensify. So now for skin, I am gonna go in with my ABH foundation, and I am just gonna apply this on my skin. There's really not much to say here, just foundation and blend that out with a sponge. And while I am drinking this delicious coffee, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I am gonna do some more Halloween looks. For concealer, I am just doing the usual, applying that anywhere where I want a little bit more of coverage, so a little bit under my eyes and around my mouth area. And I am blending that out with a sponge. Around the eyes, you want to be really careful so you don't mess up all your hard work that you just did with your eyeshadow. And I am gonna set everything with powder as well. So for Halloween looks, powder is usually very important because you want them to last and you want to have a smooth canvas to work on. So now this is gonna be the fun part, because I am gonna start creating my spider web, and I am just doing this with a pen eyeliner. I would recommend not doing this. I would say first go in with a eyeliner pencil that doesn't have a lot of coverage, just to map out your spider web, and then go in with your dark liner pen, just because this was really like intense to get really defined and beautiful lines. Once I was done with my little spider web, I decided to do some shadowing, and I had a reference picture all the time just so I can see what I wanted to create. Then for bronzer and blush, I was really careful not to disturb the spider web, so just going in with a little bit, but I really wanted to bring back some color into my face. And then I am going back to the eyes with my NYX glitter primer and this beautiful glitter from Peaches and Cream. It's like a red orange glitter, and I applied that in my inner corners to bring back a little bit of glam. And also I chose the fluffiest lashes that I have in my collection for this look, and I applied some gems on the spider web. For lips, I actually used the same gel liner that I used on my eyes. If you have a black lipstick, I would say go in with that because this really dried my lips out. And I also used the same glitter just on the center of the lips. And that is pretty much it. That is the finished look. A very glam spiderweb Halloween look. I hope you guys like this. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram for more makeup tutorials and videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.